Hey, good morning, Vikings. Great meeting today. Just wanted to help you out with one of the questions that got asked of me, which was to make a video on how I can use Google to make a phone call to my students without using my cell phone. So the website that's going to help you out with that is hangout.google.com. When you go there, it's going to show you this icon or this screen right here. To make a video phone call is what we've been doing with our meetings. To make a phone call using your computer, you'll select this one. And you can also message students one-on-one if you wanted to do this. I wouldn't advise this option. I would stick to one of these two over here. Again, to make the phone call, I click on the phone icon and I'm going to start a new conversation. When I click on this new conversation, I put in the number in here of the student. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit enter. Now it's going to generate the phone call on the right-hand side. What ends up happening is this is using my computer to make the call, so it's using my mic on the computer. And what I might suggest is if you get a headphone or a headset, that might help you out better to hear and also communicate with your students more clearly. That's pretty much how you do it. It's pretty simple. If you need any extra help with that, please let me know. I'm more than willing to help you out. Just email me. All right, talk to you later. Bye.